students, now we go to part 4, adjective. The adjective of comparison. Dear student, you know in earlier class, adjective of comparison is divided into 4 parts. Just you look at your blackboard or chart. This is the adjective of comparison chart. It is called adjective of comparison chart. In this chart, you see adjective of comparison is divided into 3 parts. One is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative. In positive degree, just you see big. It is a big elephant. It is a big elephant. Here, there is no comparison, and we only tell about a single elephant. This is a big elephant. It is a big elephant. That is a big elephant. But when we compare one elephant with the other, same in kind, that elephant is bigger than this. अर्थात से हाथीटा बड़ा ए हाथी अपेक्षा. When we compare between the two, we use comparative degree. But when we compare more than two, we use superlative degree. The elephant which is standing on the road is the biggest. अर्थात रास्ता पर जो हाथीटी छिड़ा है ये प्रथम हाथी और द्वितीय हाथी अपेक्षा बड़ा. So I see the elephant which is standing on the road is the biggest. So big, bigger, biggest. It is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative. Similarly, Sima is a clever girl. Clever. Here, clever modifies Sima. Clever girl. That means girl is used for Sima, and clever is an adjective that modifies Sima. Girl. So, when we compare Sima with Chinky, we say Chinky is cleverer than Sima. अर्थात Chinky Sima को आवरी चलती है. So, the comparison is done between the two, that is Sima and Chinky. When the comparison is done among a lot of students, Chinky is the cleverest of all guys in coaching. Coaching रे जेते झियो अछंती समस्त कठोर चलती. So here the word cleverest is used. Similarly, when an adjective consists of more than 2 syllables, we use more and most. My dear students, in earlier class of 6, you have learned about syllable. 1 syllable, 2 syllable, 4 syllable, etc. In this case, when the adjective consists of more than 2 syllables, we used more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. It is the best intelligent. It is the best quality to know where more and most is used. जदि adjective रे 2 अधिक syllable थिबो पिले माने तेबे आमे more बसेबा. जदि superlative degree की थिबा ताले most बसेबा. Just you see, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So the word beautiful consists of more than 2 syllables. One is A and another U. So any adjective having consists of more than 2 syllables takes more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. My dear students, just go to your book, page number 26, to know more about it. You just, it is said, remember. Comparative form compares 2 people or things. It is usually followed by than conjunction. superlative degree, sometimes than is replaced by to. She is junior to, senior to, superior to, inferior to. My dear students, in comparative degree, generally than is used as conjunction, but in some cases, in place of than, we use to. Just he is junior to me, he is senior to me, I am superior to you. So any adjective that ends with IOR followed by to in place of that. Remember it. It is helpful to you when you fill in the blank by using different types of adjectives. Just after that, what is your duties and responsibilities? You must go to your practice type. A, then B, then C, then D. Then send the assignment to your respective teachers. This is your duties and responsibilities. My dear students, I hope the adjectives of Standard 7 Part 4 has completed. You must read it, show the video once and once again, and answer the questions to your respective class teachers. Thank you. See you again, your nearest and dearest grammar teachers, S. Parida.